Hello, welcome to third episode of Introduction to Java Programming. In this episode, we'll talk about strings. So anything in double quotes is string, as you can see here in this example. What is 5? It's a number because it's not enclosed in double quotes. What is this? This is a joint. This is joining two rail track together. Similarly, strings can be joined together. If we look at this example, here we can see HE is one string, plus is a concatenation operator here, and double LO is another string. When we concate them using the plus operator, it will become hello, a new string. So plus is a concatenation operator if used with strings, as we seen in the previous example and as we can see here in this example. So it will print hello world because it is going to concat hello and space and world. Plus is arithmetic operator if used with numbers. So previously we were looking at the strings, and now in this example we are looking at two numbers, 5 plus 3. So as they are both numbers, so plus will behave here as a arithmetic operator and it will print 8, correct? So what if we concat or we use plus operator with 5, which is a string, and 6, which is a number? So it will be 5 6. Okay, what if we write 5 digit in a string in double quotes and plus 6? So 5 is still a string, it's not a number. This digit is represented as a string, not as a number. So it will be 5 6 because they will be concatenated. Okay, what about 5 plus 6? Okay, these two are number, so they must be added or addition operator due to the arithmetic operator. So it will be 11. Okay, so if we look at these example here, this 2 plus 2 will result in 2 to 1, and if we print this one, 2 plus 2 and 1, this is 41. And here if we look at 2 plus 2 plus 1, so it's 2 to 1. What about this one? Here we can see an extra bracket and it's 23. Can you guess the output, how this is happening or why this is happening? No worries, we'll talk about this. Okay, there's a zombie effect. String behaves like zombie. Like if the zombie take a bite out of you, you will become a zombie as well. Similar is the case with the string. Whenever they interact with other things, they turn them into strings. Let's look at couple of examples. As we know, the processing is from top to bottom and left to right in each line. Let's look at this example. So here the first 2 is a number, the second 2 is a string, and then plus 1. So as it starts from left to right, so first these two operands will be calculated. So this two number is interacting with a string, so the string 2 will turn it into a zombie as well. I mean a number, a string as well. So now these both two are string. Now this 22 if interact with 1, which is a digit, as we know that the 22 here is a string, it will turn the second number into a string as well here, so it will become 2 to 1. Let's look at another example. So we know left to right it process, so 2 plus 2 both are number, so it will become 4. Okay, now if this 4, which is a number, interact with 1, which is a string, it will be turned into a string as well, so it would be 41. Okay, let's look at this example. So we can see a string right in the beginning, and we know left to right processing. So whenever something interact with a string, it will become a string, so it will be 2 2. This is a string, and now again when 2 string when interact with 1, it will turn it into a string as well. So that's why 2 to 1. Okay, now the precedence. What we have done is we put brackets around 2 plus 1. So when we put such precedence, then this portion will be executed first instead of left to right. So first it will calculate this 2 plus 1, so it is 3, and now it go back to left to right. So the string 2 when interact with 3, it will turn it into string, so that will become 23. It's not actually 23, it's 23, okay, because it's a string. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you would like it, share with your friends, and also please subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much. If you have any example, if you want to say anything, please comment here as well. Thank you. Take care. Bye.